Hello guys, I am back. Today we gonna play Scary.
Welcome to the
Ano siya,
Philippines.
think of it as internal
My goodness,
assembly.
open.
Hindi siya yung isi-share sa hindi punta yung
My DB ah.
sinishare yata yan. As far as I know, wala. Hindi kasi
Ay,
ako
dita.
nabigyan ng information about that before. Pero ang alam ko,
My God, stop closing on me ah.
ang pagkaka-explain sa
I see,
akin
I see.
before is ganun siya, tawag dyan. Yung pagka may client visit,
There's nothing
yun yung
there.
gagamitin na death
Let's go there.
to present anong ginagawa natin sa interview ng PDC.
You run.
Ooh.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Lahat ng, hindi, partners in general.
Oh, what's this? Where this come from?
Japanese horror.
Yes,
Something.
the Didi
Oo,
Mimic.
kasi it's not just partner mo, partner ko, partner ni si.
Gonna
no?
fly
Partners in general, no? And then,
Where'd you go?
to the flickering lights earlier.
siguro just
Where?
zoom on the Philippine.
I'm still in the one where the weird music was playing ba?
Flicker lights, bro. The one with the piano.
I can't hear, wait.
The piano.
Where is
In
it?
piano room.
Wait.
Ano lang yan,
I'm gonna share my screen na. I don't know where this is from.
Let me see.
Details. Para nilagay lang yan dyan para
Oh, please watch this. I just don't have an idea where
Go
I'm
no clip.
going.
Go no clip. Outside.
oo.
Go to piano. Go up.
Where's the piano?
Go that. That. You're close, bro. Go to the flickering lights.
This one?
Oh wait, no. Go back. There.
Ryan? Ano yan?
The piano room. Look.
Well, ask me first.
Piano.
Baka yung
On the
mag-answer
right
na.
side. Right side. There.
Basta ano
Go
yan,
there.
wait lang mana, wait.
There. No. Bro.
Oh, here.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
You know what? I'm a low clip to. Go to elevator.
Where's the elevator?
Go to the vent earlier.
I'm not sure kung nasabihan ka na ni ano dito ni Ryan kasi yun ang your own opinion in your life.
The vent earlier. Just sundong here right there.
No, you can do that by your own.
Oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm doing, so wow.
You need to learn.
Oo.
Son,
Oh, what the hell?
no, genuinely, what is this?
Hold on, I'm trying to
The
find
fuck?
something. Where are you?
Looks so scary. What the hell is this?
Where are you? You're trying to play hide and seek with me? Stop playing hide and stop playing.
Look, it's very, bro, it's very.
What the?
Can you do teleport?
No, you know how to do this, bro.
I see.
Wait, I saw something. Yes, finally. I saw the exit. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. I got fooled. Bro, go to the elevator earlier. The flickering lights elevator.
Yan.
I don't know where that is. There's so many flickering lights.
You dumb.
Meaning
Okay.
hindi start with.
Okay, direct me.
Where are you? I cannot see you.
The elevator, this one?
Yeah.
Yung
Wait.
RA.
Wait, I'm going there too. Hold on. Wait for me.
Kailangan pa sila mag-ano. Kasi
Wait for
di ba
me.
yung-
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, let's go.
Ang nakalagay sa process document natin for Starfield lang eh. Pero for RA
goodness, my back. Oh my gosh, your mom's computer so loud.
Yeah.
Halimbawa sa inyo. Kasi CCOM, di ba?
Hi, tita.
We need to find a ladder for this one.
Pinapaano niya ng bug or ano.
I think it's in another room.
Wait, you stay there. Stay there. I'm going to do something.
Just tell me when you're back.
Okay.
Oo. Pero pinapailan ko naman talaga siya. Kaya lang, minsan, kine-check ko yung group na
Red
ano.
door key. Where's the red door? Follow me. Follow me.
Wait! Are you in? Where are you?
Oo.
You're blowing hot air.
Alehan, pag-usapan niyo na lang yung kung paano to. So, itong deck na to,
Oh my
ano
days.
siya, no? Hindi naman siya pinapresent sa, I don't think ipapresent siya sa interview. Ang
Let's go.
understanding ko is, halimbawa
My
merong
days, let's go.
internal Accenture, diba? Pagka may mga calls silang mga leads, ang sabi nila yung MD and Verities. Oo. Si Car ba MD natin?
Bro disappeared.
Hindi ko sure. Pero anyway, don't think of this as it represents a partner.
Are you flying
Think
home
of
party?
it as it represents Accenture kasi they don't have an idea kung ano yung ginagawa natin. And at the same time,
They don't have an idea
kapag
kung ano
kami
ginagawa.
client,
Hmm?
hindi yung pwede nila i-present. So yung,
Why your mom
yung
computer so
information
loud?
dyan, hindi totoo yan ha. Nilagay
The
lang
microphone
yan
is
as
loud.
pang reference natin.
Yes, I
You
see
can also
fire so
decide
loud.
kung
Yup.
it's too much or replace a slide, diba? Basta it's more about how do we present yung project natin. Yung ang ginagawa natin sa project natin, gano'n.
Where are you flying?
I'm trying to find puzzle.
Pero I remember kasi, di ba Sig created one for Val before?
You go so far.
Sabi niya, iba pa daw yun eh. Pero sige,
My
sige,
baby,
siya kay Sig. Kasi pakiramdam niya, he's not going to be...
Kasi I remember he mentioned one.
My baby.
The ambitious goals
Oo. Actually,
You
I
hear
think
that?
kay Val ginawa yun. Sa client yun. Client
Yes, I'm
consultation.
explain.
Pero yeah, they haven't shown na lang defective no, on that one.
We're back where we started.
Oh, let's go back. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yamadamacito. Ay, ay.
Tanong po pala ako, sa PSRS. Tama po ba sa inyo yung PSRS na partner?
Yes, sorry. Parang hindi naman sa akin.
Parang
You were here like an hour ago.
Sa... Yes, kay...
My baby.
Ano ba siya? Kay ano? Kay Diba na? And your...
hindi.
Kay?
Oh wait. No, why is this set
Check
open?
ko rin po sa website, saan sa app sheet.
You fly so fast.
Okay, let's go back. Follow me. Hold on.
I'm lost. Really. go.
Itong task na inaano ni
Maayo.
Ryan, yun yung kailangan ma-accomplish.
We just run.
I am at the hotel lobby.
Wala naman siyang binigay na
Where's the
deadline, pero
lobby?
he did say urgent.
Oh my god, bro.
Okay.
Bro, I don't know what I'm doing.
Guys, pwede yung pa-enroll lang yung sarili niyo dito. Kukuha niyo yung link na yan. I see. Wait lang, may pinaka-test lang ako. Tapos may
I
test
see.
test sila
Try open.
sa ask ni Ryan regarding sa
They open this. I think we forgot something.
Lehan, ano to, no? Intern project consultation. Pa-test tapos let me know kung ano
Almost got
makikita niyo.
stuck.
4 sessions.
Enroll ko na.
Enrollment link na yan talaga.
I'm confused. What the hell is wrong with this
Sige,
game?
enroll.
Everything, bro.
Tapos join web conference Thursday
So busy,
and June
yeah.
25th.
Ikaw, yung nakikita mo pag nag-enroll?
No,
Present mo na lang yung screen.
Yes.
Hindi,
No.
Sino papadala ko yan?
No.
Kanina to?
My Little Pony.
Sure, let's go.
Sabi niya rin nakikita eh.
Did you leave me alone, bro? Come on.
Next, pag-drop
You're evil.
okay na yun sa pagpagtinan.
Okay lang naman.
Bro, left me alone
Tapos
again.
ito pa,
I'm
one more
scared.
testing.
Bro, left me alone again.
You think Mugiman's going to get you?
I-unenroll kita, Lehan.
Hi.
Oh.
It's much my little pony.
Later.
Yay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Why do you keep going back here? Bro?
I think we forgot something we didn't know.
I-unenroll kita. Tapos, bibigyan kita ng
Anong roll?
ibang enrollment link, which is yung sa learning path.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, did you go away again?
Hotel lobby.
Love you. No, someone. Where's love?
Ay, sing for EDU pag may RA request ginagawa nyo ng teacher.
Pag own instance,
Wala yung
kailangan
item.
pa ba ng speak
Tomato.
approval?
Let's do clip.
Or sa
No.
FAQ lang yun?
Meron lang sa ito kasi yung EDU kasi
Wait, try pressing this. F, E,
wala yung mga ganito.
E,
Okay.
E,
So,
F.
pag may
Right mouse, right mouse.
Press, press.
RA
Left
request,
mouse, left
Press
mouse.
anything.
sige, pero sino yung
I think this represents something.
Yung policy. Just in case kailangan na.
You know what? That's no clip.
Ano na lang
Go to
yan,
the white room.
ginagawa ko na lang yun.
Tayo
Where's
na
the
lang
white room?
mag-ano
Here.
na.
Oh, I mean, gagayan
Going with the all the doors.
Okay. I am here in the white room.
Nag-reply pa sila.
Where's the white
Hindi pa
room,
naman.
bro?
Kaya lang kasi baka pag nag-reply, naka-offline ka
Hit
na.
me again.
I'm in the white room.
Naalala ko kung may nag-request siya, yung si Maya. Tapos, si Blair na nagsabi na,
The white room.
tapos, tinanong siya ni Shani, why did you file it for a bug? Sinabi
That was
niya,
so easy.
See? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Under the one.
Tapos, huminto naman si Shani.
Ano na?
Nagtanong
What
si
do you want
Shani
to
sa
do?
kanya, who requested
What?
for the RA request, why did you file
It's
for
match, bro.
a bug?
No.
Tinanong si
Board.
Maya.
Yes.
Tapos sinagot niya naman na ano,
Clear.
Let's play next box chase.
stop there. So,
So, ibig sabihin okay lang.
yeah,
Let's play next box
Sige,
chase.
okay lang yun. Kasi, ano naman yan, yung mga
Part ng workflow ng TC.
sa, hindi, tsaka sa atin,
Okay, join me.
Invite me, bro.
Join me.
Invite me, bro.
Join me.
sila, right?
Invite me, bro.
Join me.
Proud dito na they can work on the platform.
Bro, what? Bro, schoolhouse is so hard.